All right. If you can see these, I had to break out my knee pads. These are what's known as pro knees. I used to be a professional floor layer for about a decade, and these are the best dang knee pads on the market. I mean, I used them for about 4 or 5 years, and I haven't put them on in probably a decade. Everything on them is replaceable, and I've never had to replace a thing on them. And if you can see, they got some wear. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, that's what I thought. This stuff's like glue. This room ain't very good. Dollar Tree special. I got a fan blowing right on this stuff too. I still have yet to find my respirator. The knee pads are on because I'm gonna end up down here on my knees scrubbing this shit. I mean this stuff. Trying to watch my language. Chances are I'm gonna time lapse this anyway and you won't even hear me. The industrial dustpan. Get some of this stuff out of here now. Got me a little whisk broom. This will probably work better than anything. It's not very good either. All Dollar Tree stuff. Oh, actually, no. The whisk broom, I got that at Harbor Freight for $2. Because I'm probably going to throw it away after sweeping this nastiness up. I got out here a lot later than I wanted to. I found a deal on some circular box fans on Marketplace for $15 a fan. They're brand new. I got one of them right here blowing on me. I got a good fan up there blowing that way. Cuisinart. I'll throw that to the side. I've got way better knives than that. But I may need a box cutter or something. Oh, there's a screw in the floor. That would have been one of the reasons that cabinet didn't want to come out. They had a screw to the floor. Oh, there's another screw. Yeah. Well, I got the cabinet out. Nastiness. I've got scrub brushes too. Man, I don't think they ever pulled their stove out. I put my drill back in my van and didn't realize it. I thought I left it in here and couldn't find it. I thought somebody broke in here and stole it. But I could not find a point of entry. I found it. It was in the van. This is disgusting. Cat toys, cat bowls. Herbs, spices, you name it, they got a little everything down underneath here. Silverware, knives, forks, and spoons. I'm throwing them all away. Everything I can get out of here. And it's going to smell so much better the next time I come out here. Oh boy. Ravioli, ooh, yum. Lost the ravioli. Now that might be a little mouse food. If that is mouse food, it's the first I've seen. Yeah, I think I sure don't think that is mouse food. Get in there and stand there. Ugh. So much nastiness. How do they live like that? Ugh. All right, that's as good as I'm getting it for now. I scrubbed that nastiness that came out of the fridge all the way to the door. And this here, that's like crust. That's on the hood fan. I'm gonna just take that off and throw it away. That's nasty, it won't come off. I hit it with 3 different types of cleaners. I'm hot, I'm cooling down now. I was just cleaning up. Got my tunes for when I'm working. I got it off right now because of copyright stuff, so I can't let that play. Whew. Gave my knee pads a workout. So as far as right now, it smells outstanding in here compared to what it's been smelling like. So there's that. Wow. That took longer than I thought. It was only a couple seconds for you guys, but it was about an hour for me. But yeah, right now all I smell is bleach. I'll know when I come out here the next time. As soon as I open the door, hopefully that smell's going to be gone. But I did a number on it. I did find some mouse droppings down underneath the back right corner where the oven used to be, the stove, range, whatever you want to call it. Which I'm not surprised, but I've been surprised that it wasn't everywhere. From the first time I walked in here, I didn't see any on the counters, in the sinks, anywhere, on the floor. And if any of you ever seen issues with mice, you know they leave evidence all over the place. They like to climb and poop everywhere. I don't want to go too far down this way because of the whitewash. It's not so bad today like the last video. Yeah, you might be able to see that 6-way plug down there. That's what I was trying to focus in on the last time, and the whitewash just kept getting the camera. But I am done for now. Oh, I got my mini fridge out here. Oh, I found a shop vac today. Actual shop vac brand, the contractor edition, the biggest one they make. I paid $15 for that. It's dirty from sitting in their garage. I do need to get some attachments for it because all it came with was the big fat hose. And you all know what I'm about to get into here. I'm going to need a lot of vacuum and a lot of suction. And this thing's a 16-gallon shop vac. So that's good. Brought a little trash can out to put all the crap that all the paper towels from scrubbing up that floor since I don't have water out here yet. That's coming soon. Once I can finally pay the pad rent, once the beginning of the next month, I can get the water turned on and see if I can find out where the master shutoff is, the main valve. Then I gotta start looking at all the sinks independently, everything that has water, to see if there's a shutoff valve. Because in the bathroom, I don't think there was one for the shower. I was actually, let me see here, turn on the light. That's not it. I don't see a shut off here in that wall. But I don't know where these hoses come yet. I was gonna tear this out. I'm gonna tear this out soon and see. I figured out, I'm pretty sure I figured out what they did with the plumbing. Okay, the faucets on the other side, they go through. This is your water lines for those. And then this was supposed to be plumbed that goes straight up behind the wall. Up behind here, where that shower head is. Up here. But they just ran this dang hose here right out of the dang faucet because that was easier for them, I guess. It's paneling. The stuff comes off very easy. I'm just gonna rip it off. Well, I'm gonna make it look neat. I don't like splinters. So I'm gonna have to get my razor knife and just score it and go to town. You can actually see in here a little better now. My camera was stuck on whitewash yesterday. But yeah, that's the wall where I want the breaker box to go. Once this is a laundry room, like more of a utility room, and this wall will be all the way up, and you'll have your place for your bathroom, right? Your throne right here. The shower. My plan is I'm gonna go with probably a 36-inch wide vanity top with one sink because I don't need two. Most people don't. Then I'm gonna extend. I gotta measure. Actually, the vanity size is gonna depend on the shower stall kit I get. Are you kidding me? Somebody actually put ceramic tile around this at one point in time? That's wild. I didn't even notice that till just now. But yeah, it depends on the width of the shower wall. I'll bump this wall over, and then I'll try and I'll just try and make the space work with whatever I can and get rid of all this stuff up here. Make it look good. Change that to a GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupt. Gotta have all that fancy electrician stuff. I'm gonna come back here and cool down a little bit. I've had this AC running for a couple hours and it's actually pretty cool back in this bedroom. And I'll tell you, it doesn't even stink back here, but all I smell is bleach. That's it, all I smell is bleach. But until next time, there's a hole. I covered a hole here that I kept stepping in. I found another hole that I need to put something over, so I quit stopping on or stepping in that spot. But I gotta get home. It's getting late, and I got a big catering order to do tomorrow from Mission Taco Joint. It's a $2,000 order. It's got, I don't know, 4 or 5 taco bars. We've got a lot of stuff. So I gotta be it's about a 35-minute drive to get to the pickup. And then I'm taking it to a school I just delivered 77 pizzas to yesterday. So I'm going back, and it pays good. I got to get those good paying ones to fund the $100 mobile home trailer rehab. Oh, I also picked up a couple little cheap, here, let me spin it around. These little box fans. I found a listing for them on Marketplace. The lady has 75 of them, and they're pretty much brand new. $15 a piece. I went and grabbed 2 of them from Magnolia Hotel downtown St. Louis. I just went right in there. If anybody wants to go get a $15 20-inch box fan, they go for $30 at Walmart, or you can go down to Magnolia Hotel. If you look them up on Marketplace, you might be able to find them. If anybody's in St. Louis, that is. It's a good deal. And I put that one together. I've had that one down on the floor blowing on me, and then let me get that out of the wind. I noticed on my last video it was muffled. That thing puts out the wind right there. Whew, that one right there. That moves some air. But anyway, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna get out of here and get back to the city and relax and go make that money tomorrow. I only have the one delivery, so I'm gonna go back home, keep packing stuff and getting it to storage. And the 18th is when I got the movers coming to get my big stuff out, and they're taking my washer and dryer, a desk, maybe my mattress, an exercise bike, and that's all going to storage. And then I'm having my refrigerator brought directly out here. That's why I wanted to clean that area, because I can't see paying that kind of money to move my refrigerator twice because it'll cost me probably $200 to have it moved 8 miles from here to here if I take it from my storage over to here. So that's gonna, I think, run me the whole bill. Getting that stuff moved is gonna be like $415, but it's stuff I can't move by myself. And I don't move refrigerators. I just don't do it. They're too big, yeah. I don't feel like injuring myself. I'm too dang old, and I'm not down with that. Whew. Not as hot as the last time I was in here though, but we'll see you guys. Rock on. Peace.